Well, hello there, I'm Detroit. It's been a while. A couple months, which is definitely more than the weekly videos I've been making for forever. The thing is, I'm working on a big video. A real big one, like 40 minutes, 30 drawings in it, all that jazz. For the quick explanation, I did chroma core from mid-July to mid-August, which means one finished drawing per day. I'll talk about the whole thing at length whenever I manage to finish the beast of editing I'm doing. And I'm not here to talk about that. This is just my excuse for my lack of videos, but I have been making art. However, I've been making mostly figurative art, and my fingers were itching for an abstract doodle, so that's what you're watching. About 45 minutes of doodling with new gear you've never seen on this channel. The pen is a Unipin Fineline 0.2, and the sketchbook is the Canson Graduate manga book, which feels really nice. It has 40 sheets of smooth 200 grams paper. This is a really good pen/sketchbook combo. I'm doodling a dense mess of lines, with little to no rhyme or reason. I am, however, trying to switch it up by having some big shapes and a more dense feeling pattern, so some of it is a tiny bit intentional. In order to make it make some sort of sense later on, I did leave a blank part for composition, and I added legs and appendages. So I've nicknamed this now creature an ink crawler. I could tell you a whole story about the lore behind this guy, but we all know this is one of these artsy-fartsy explanations that isn't actually true. I would be making it up on the spot. The only explanation you need is, I don't know, it felt fun to do in the moment. So yeah, that's about it for the drawing proper. Gosh, it's been a while since we talked to each other. What have you been up to? Anyway, you still can't answer, so I guess I'll do the talking again. I've been up to a lot of stuff. I've been drawing, of course, but also doing a bit of sculpting and painting. I've been working my real-life job, which has been great and I am now perfectly used to. Oh, and I've been trail running. Oh my god, trail running, I love it so much. I'm exploring the mountains around and that is so fun. In fact, as I'm writing this, I just had a 15-kilometer race around the mountains this morning, with 120 meters of elevation. It killed my legs, but I did it in 1 hour and 59 minutes and it felt awesome and liberating. Although I wouldn't have minded less mud in the foresty parts. Running is great overall. I have another run in like a week and another one later on and a half marathon early November. Anyway, my point is I've been silent basically whole summer, but I'm still here and still doing great. The one thing I haven't done much of is writing. I'm very sad and ashamed to say that my fantasy novel hasn't progressed much in the last 12 or so months, basically since the first draft. I did start the rework of it, like corrections and editing, but I'm far from a second draft, so maybe I will get back to doing that soon. About drawing though, I've been doing so much art stuff I wish I could talk about. Like art communities and future project ideas and stuff, but it's all gonna be in the big video and now I'm running out of topics it feels. I am definitely rusty from making videos. I need to get back in the zone. Just like I've been itching to doodle with ink. I've been itching to make these chill, laid-back, fun videos again. On another topic, I'm thinking of doing a partial rebranding for this YouTube channel. I've been using this picture on a couple social media. By the way, here are my links, you can follow me, you know the drill. So yeah, I've been using this picture, which I do like a lot. And at the same time, I'm kinda tired of this picture I've been using since like a long time. I like the idea of changing details of my face for every video, like an Easter egg type of thing, but I am getting kinda bored of it. It's always a bit of hassle to do for every video and there is little to no added value in doing it. I think it would definitely be time to redraw my avatar anyway, but I don't want to draw another version of it in a new style but simple enough to be able to make quick variations. So yeah, I'm thinking of abandoning the face altogether, at least for now, and use this hat and a pair of glasses. It's a bit more discreet in the corner videos, so maybe I will add the shadow of a silhouette, I don't know exactly yet. But yeah, do tell me what you think in the comments. While you're at it, give me some ideas of what style of drawing I should explore next. It's always nice to have input from you guys. With that said, I think I'm gonna leave this video here. It's a short one, but that's okay. As I said, I am a bit rusty and I don't have a lot of time these days. It will all get better when I finish my insanely long video. So do subscribe so you don't miss it, but in case you want spoilers as to what the 30 drawings look like, they are almost all on my Instagram by now. I'll see you soon. Take care, bye!